Hi guys, quick tip coming at you today. I just want to show you how to copy a adjustment layer from one image to the next. Say you maybe have two underexposed photos and you want to just quickly adjust that. Maybe you have 10 underexposed photos and you want to quickly adjust that. So I'm just going to go down here and make my levels adjustment on this image on the left. And I know if you had 10 underexposed images, maybe Lightroom's a better option, but this isn't a Lightroom channel, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this in Photoshop super fast. So there we go. I got my levels adjusted on my one on my left. I'm just going to go down here to my layers palette and grab over here, drop it on these guys, and then you can see that there is an edge, so it didn't line up perfectly. So I'm just going to select my background and my levels layer. I'm holding the control key. And then I'll hit V to pull up these options, and I'm going to click left align, bottom align, and boom, we're done. Super easy, super simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.